Hey everybody, I'm back. Got a little bit of a techie video for you. A use case. This one is practical. I think it's actually going to be probably pretty practical to a bunch of people out here, because if you're seeing this on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, wherever, it's about using your coding agent to help you with your video editing. Something that a lot of people know, I don't edit my videos. I don't sit down, I don't spend hours splicing things in. You get to watch me fumble through screens, move awkward pauses, the whole 9 yards. If I you get to see it. I'm human, you're human, and I really think that's part of the reason why you're here. That being said, there are times when there are things that are frustrating to no end. And I will just quickly pull my folder down here, and this right here is the video that is currently being recorded. And this one was one that I put up for demonstrating what I use as my new build agent to show everybody how important proper governance is, but how easy it really is. And you can see that it says delayed 200 milliseconds. Well, what does that mean, Adam? Oh, that's a great question. I'm glad you asked. What that means is, somehow or another, I use OBS Studio. I do enjoy this program. I think it's terrific. I got a weird delay from speech to, I looked like an old kung fu movie from back in the 70s where it was all offset. I went into Codex through Visual Studio Code and just asked it, okay, what's the settings? Why is this happening? Help me. And it walked through the OBS Studio settings and fixed it. Terrific. Great. But still have a 19-minute video that I now have to redo. And when you one-shot videos, I don't generally carry a script. Sometimes I will. On fairly technical things, I will keep a bit of a script to keep me on track and not let the squirrels and butterflies win. I said, okay, well, that's great. Whatever. It then said, I can probably fix this for you. And it went in to the file. And if many of you know, or probably not a lot of you know, but an MP4 is a layered file, and you actually have your video and then your sound overlaid. And it went into the file and matched them up. It was crazy. It saved me, again, another 20-30 minutes plus just the annoyance. Wonderful. Right there is a prime example. This next one that I'm gonna demonstrate is, I was shooting a video today. As some of you may or may not know, I am a city councillor as a part-time. We're a mid-sized city, a very vibrant and amazing city here in Red Deer, Alberta. So I was shooting a video to update everybody on my council meeting yesterday. Great. Again, I one-shot them, so people get stuck with whatever they get. If you want to come for the show, come for the show. Sometimes the embarrassments are worth it right there. This time, what happened was, I had to look down because my controls for OBS, and I clicked the wrong button. And so I said, all right, thanks everybody. See ya. I appreciate you. Goodbye. And then there's this weird me looking around for 9 seconds. And I'm gonna see if I can't potentially, I'll mute it just because I don't know what that's gonna do to it. But I'm gonna see here. So you can see me just sitting there happily ignoring the world. I'll go back. Screw it. I'm gonna unmute it, see if it picks it up. Who knows? We'll find out together. Everybody spend time with your family, spend time with your friends. And as we get going into the weekend, I hope you have plans to do that. And I think that's it. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate you right here. Take care. Awkwardly staring, awkwardly looking. Oh, I have to. There we go. Evening, everybody. So, that being said, I'm going to walk you through a quick look behind the curtain, and we're going to get, I'll use, you know what? I'm gonna go out of my comfort zone. I'm gonna let Claude Code do this one. We'll see. We're gonna see it live, so if it crashes, we get to see it together. I will walk you through the full steps. I open VS Code. This is where I do all of my coding. Switch to Claude Code. Inside of VS Code, now for people who don't particularly use any of these very much, you have to open a folder or a file to get the agents to actually work on things. So I've structured things in a very particular way. Under the code, I've got, some different things that I'm working on, tools, old school AI, all those really good resources that I'm trying to build so that I can help you. So I'm going to go up a level, and inside my documents folder, I also have computer infrastructure improvements and installed tools, OBS. So we open that one. Now I have to put my spectacles on. You can't see it, but that's just, oh, you know what I can do? There, now you can see me. See? It's a journey. It's an adventure, whatever. I go in here, and it's just in the high level. Gotta bring back Claude Code. And I'm gonna do a quick video on this Anthropic fable. Apparently it absolutely is impressive. However, I've seen two criticisms. One is my own criticism. It's the criticism of Claude that I bring all the time, is it is token heavy. And you really have to manage your context window. You have to compact, you have to clear, you have to make sure that you're not uploading a bunch of pictures, you're trying to get markdown files, those types of things. The other thing I have read, and I can't confirm it, but it's a bit of a nanny state. It is gonna kind of guide you away from potentially some of your, some of the other issues, or I guess prompts that you might have. Okay, I'll get rid of that. Voice to text, as I've said many times, get one. The Whisper is terrific. It's a little expensive for somebody who's just, on a home setup. It's called Handy. It's an open source, it's free, and it works fantastic. It's got glitches, so do I. Whatever. I just recorded a video, and at the end, it looks really awkward while I'm fumbling around for a button. I don't want to go through. I don't have a video editor here. Can you go into that video? It's 2026-06-10 2051-43.mp4 and cut off the last 9 seconds for me, please. I'll close the video so you can go ahead and take care of it and let me know how it goes. Talk to text. It's a time saver. Promise I can talk faster than I can type. Go. It's working, grinding. It's got its own little lexicon. That's the word I was looking for. It's got its own little lexicon for telling you that it's working. Tries to be clever. I'm not gonna lie to you, that's actually one of my criticisms. I know. There's bigger fish to fry. It's going through, and we'll see if I can see anything happening live. Oh, where's my spectacles? Here we go. So it is right there, boom, trimmed. Right in front of our eyes, it popped that up magically. Wonderful. Okay, and now it says, the trim worked cleanly. The trim file is at. I love how all of these agents give you the breadcrumb trail and tells you where they are. The original was 21.25.25. The new version is 21.16.27, just over 9 seconds removed from the end. The original file is untouched, so you can delete it once you're happy with the result. Well, let's take a peek, shall we? Let's just see how well you did instead of me paying for a big editor. Here it comes. Enough parking. Really, but I hope you got some good information out of that. And at the same time, I really do want to stress, I appreciate you, Red Deer. Summer's rolling in. There's going to be events coming. You're going to see me out and about as much as you did during the winter events, because I really do enjoy spending time there. And I'm going to go spend some time with my family. As you all know, I encourage everybody to spend time with your family, spend time with your friends. And as we get going into the weekend, I hope you have plans to do that. And I think that's it. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate you, Red Deer. Take care. Bing pot. Fixed it. Just like that. So, with that, I can pretty much wrap this video up. This is lightning quick for me. I normally get into it and get super nerdy. I hope that was a good use case for somebody. It's really good. I'll also circle back to the fact that I even had it offset a 20-minute video by 200 milliseconds and it carried it right through. Did a great job. So, thank you very much, everybody, and have a terrific evening. And as I said in that video, do spend time with your friends and family. Do get out of the house. It's good for your physical health. It's good for your mental health. And it's great for your community. Take care.